As dated reporting loses favor, organizations seek next-generation business intelligence expertise, uplifting data into enterprise insights coordinated into planning, positioning, and forecasting support across functions. Unavailable through traditional analytics constrained by lagging rear-view figures lacking contextualization. Our program develops elite BI experts tailored for leading enterprises through hands-on techniques, mastering analysis automation, personalized metric reporting, and facilitation getting insights in the right hands for strategy impact. Attendees further quantitative skill sets enabling data-driven decision confidence and peer influence unlocking intelligence returns from analytics investments made to date. Equipped BI leaders upgrade executive strategy inputs with expanded and personalized decision support capabilities, also democratizing intelligence access at all levels to empower continuity between top-level planning connected ground-level operations. Register today and realize elite BI specialization demonstrated through senior management decision support and wider intelligence democratization, accelerating organizations forward.